Hi guys! Whew, I'm tired from walking up the stairs. Hi guys! I wanted to make a decent introduction for this studio video, and I think this will be a very fun and exciting video. So yeah, I wanted to make an introduction. I'm now in my studio space, but there is still a lot to do, and I think I'll start. Well, also the echo here is very bad, but that's because it's very empty here besides a lot of rubbish. I think I'll start with showing you a few clips of how it started, what it looked like here. So this was a very dark attic, and it was a lot smaller than it is now. And then we removed the walls and the ceiling, and it became a lot brighter and bigger.
We bought our house in 2020, and during 2021 we broke off so many things in the house, including the attic/studio. Is this not the perfect place for some shelves, you guys, underneath the roof? By removing the walls and ceiling, we revealed so much hidden space that made the attic look a lot bigger. Here you can see that the ceiling actually was a lot lower, but we removed all these wooden thingies. And there originally was another window as well, apparently, but it was hidden behind the walls. And this was the only window that was there, but it needed to be replaced very badly. You can see how much place we created by breaking everything off. There was so much hidden space. And this was still in 2021, I think. The roof wasn't isolated very well, so it definitely needed to be replaced with a whole new roof. What it looked like from our bedroom. We were also renovating a lot of other rooms at this point. By the way, I have a bedroom renovating video on my channel if you're interested, but I uploaded it a very long time ago.
We also got new windows installed, and yeah, then we started doing the walls and the ceiling again, and there still is a lot left to do, like the floor. We want to lay a new floor, we have to do railings for the stairs, we want to do shelves underneath the roof.
So I actually think doing the walls, like the drywall and everything, took the longest, and Evik did it all by himself. Evik is my boyfriend, by the way, in case you didn't know yet. And yeah, it kind of took almost like a year, I think. But we didn't work on it every single weekend.
We need to finish this wall, but tomorrow my parents will come and they will help me remove all the garbage that's here that you currently can't see. Wait, I'll show it to you. Oh. Okay, that was very unhandy to show you. There's a lot of rubbish here, and tomorrow my parents will help us with making it empty here so that Evert can finish up the walls, and then we can start painting. And like I said, there are many other things we have left to do. And when the base is finally done, because I think we have been working on this for about 2 years, on and off, and I really want my studio space. Yeah, we've been, well, actually Evert, I don't really help a lot here, but Evert has been working on this every weekend or whenever we have time during the weekend, because we're usually very busy during the weekends. And when the base is done, I can finally put my order on IKEA because I have a whole list of things I want from IKEA, and I'll be very upset if something is out of stock. But yeah, then I'll put a big order on the IKEA website, and then I can finally do the interior of my studio space. And I also have I already have a lot of decoration that I either bought or made myself. Yeah, it will be very excited. Also, I will show you a collage that I made, kind of like a collage or a mock-up thing of how that side of my studio space will look like. And I'm super excited. When I made it, I was like, yeah, this is super exciting. I also want to do like a mural and stuff like that There's so much stuff left to do, but I'll show you as much as possible in this video. That side will look like the collage I made. This side will have shelves on the wall. Yeah, I'm super excited about it. Here you can see us cleaning out the studio space so that we had a bit more room to finish off the walls. There was a lot of stuff in there that needed to go.
I don't know if you noticed, by the way, but by this point we also had new stairs in our house that were a lot safer and prettier. You just saw them for like 1 second. Oh, and here they are again with my mom. And Mona was joining us as well.
For the next few weeks and even months, we finished off the walls by plastering and then sanding everything. Here you can see we bought some wood to construct the railing, but that was for later because we still had a lot of work finishing off the walls.
Look at me pretending to be a good workforce and my new overalls, looking so good, like a leprechaun.
Hi guys, I want to talk a little bit about the attic / my studio. Tomorrow Evert, his brother, will come and help us a little bit because we decided we also want to break out the floor because it's not really that, like, it's a little bit wobbly. So we decided we also want to redo the floor, which adds onto our very long list, but it's fine. It's better if we do it now than when we lay the new floor and then it becomes an issue. So it's better to just do the structural stuff first. And tomorrow I'll try to help a little bit. I'll probably help with taking all the pieces downstairs from breaking down everything. So yeah, that's a little update. We have been working on the walls for forever now, a few months I think, and it's still not done. It's just a lot of work. So eventually it will get done, and yeah, we just have to keep going when we have time during the weekends.
I am bringing wood.
Bringing wood to the truck. And it's snowing. Well, it stopped snowing. Guys, this is what the floor looks like now. Or, whoa, there's a big echo. And today, Evert and his brother will construct the floor. I'm very curious. Or at least a big part of the floor. This is also taking a lot of time, but it's fine. We worked some more on the walls, and even more, and some more. It was like the walls were never gonna be finished, but one day we finally decided it was good enough. Before we could paint everything white, we had to construct the railing, which was not that much work. The walls were finally sanded down and my dad did the electricity. It suddenly went a lot quicker. It was time to lay the vinyl floor when the railing was installed for the most part. And no, I did not help with laying the floor or anything like that. I was downstairs crocheting and drawing, but I also made dinner, so I wasn't completely useless.
Immediately after laying the floors, we covered it up with paper because we didn't want to damage the floor.
We had this going on, we still have it going on. So we removed the OBS.
OSB.
No, OBS is...
Open Broadcasting Software.
we removed the OSB and we'll probably be able to make this stronger again by... Yeah.
We're just gonna attach another beam, the same thickness, to the old beam, which will strengthen the damaged beam.
But we first thought they would have to remove all this.
Yeah, well,
and the roof
if this would have needed to be removed, then the roof would have needed to come off.
Yeah.
And all my work had to be...
Yeah, it all had to be redone, so we're so happy. It will probably be able to be fixed by just adding something on the bottom. The only annoying thing is that we already ordered wood custom to the size to like cover it up, and I don't think it will fit anymore. So we'll probably have to order more wood, and wood is very expensive. We finished off the railing with MDF panels so that I don't randomly fall from the stairs. Good thing Mona is protecting all my stuff that has to go in my studio space. Good job, Mona. You're doing great. Hi guys, I figured I haven't talked that much for this specific video. I have a lot of random clips and random voiceovers I recorded throughout the process of this renovation, but we have been renovating for about 3 years now when it comes to the studio space. So I wanted to take a little moment to talk to you guys. Evert is currently working on the railing to sand it down and make it all smooth and stuff, and then we can finally prime it, and then we'll also prime the walls, and then we'll be able to paint all the walls white. But we're still waiting on the roof worker, if that's the correct term, to fix the wood that I showed earlier, like the problem we had with the probably woodworms. So he still needs to fix that, and yeah, there's still a lot to do, but I'm actually very excited that we're almost getting to the point where we're gonna paint everything white, because if we've painted everything, I feel like we've done a big milestone. And yesterday I also looked up everything. I have like a full list of things I want to buy for my studio space, mainly from IKEA, and I went over the list again and I felt so excited. We already have a few items for my studio space, like a little carpet and also my desk chair. Evert will make my desk, like the top of my desk himself, out of wood plates. So there is still a lot to do. We also need shelves underneath the roof and also shelves on the wall. So there is still a lot to do. And currently Evert is busy with the railing and sanding it down. Yeah, that was my little update. This video will be such a hell to edit, I feel like, because of all the random clips, all the random voiceovers. But I think the results will be so worth it. So I really hope you are enjoying this video and seeing the process that's happening on my studio space, because it has come a very, very long way, you guys. So Evert is now working on the LED strip lighting for the staircase. So this needs to be finished up a little bit. The railing is almost finished, so we can almost start priming and painting it. Oh no! Our stairs protection is falling apart.
My dad painted our baseboards white. And here we are buying painting supplies, very cheap painting supplies, because yeah, we sometimes forget to wash them. We primed everything in the attic in one day. It was insane and I was so exhausted afterwards. Also, the liquid primer spattered onto my face. I was very lucky to wear glasses. We used a lot of long objects to reach the ceiling because it was very high.
Goed bezig. You guys, my dad just did the first layer of white paint and it looks so spacious in here. It's kind of hard to show in a video, but it looks very, very big in here. I am filming with my wide angle camera, but it looks so good. Okay guys, I think I have paint on my face, but today we did the second layer and we still need to do a third layer and also finish off the railing. But I'm gonna end the video for today here because we haven't already been filming for 3 years and we're almost done with like the basic stuff. So the studio space is getting to look a lot better already. So here's like a before image and here is the after where we are now, because we are still gonna finish off all the painting and then start with some other details, but you're gonna see those other details and also more organizing and decorating in upcoming videos. So definitely subscribe if you're interested in that or other, or like do-it-yourself crochet crafty type of content and vlogs. If you're interested in that, definitely subscribe and check out my other videos as well. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in next week's video. Have a good day or night. Bye bye.